If you need to disable two-factor authentication on your American Express account, follow these straightforward steps to ensure your account settings are updated. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the American Express website and log in using your username and password. Make sure you are accessing the official site to protect your account. Step 2. Navigate to Account Services. Once logged in, locate the Account Services tab on the main menu. Click on it to access various account management options. Step 3. Access Security Settings. In the Account Services section, look for Security Settings or Manage Security. Click on this option to view your current security features, including two-factor authentication. Step 4. Disable two-factor authentication. Find the option for two-factor authentication. There should be a toggle or checkbox that allows you to disable it. Click to turn it off and follow any prompts to confirm your choice. Step 5. Save changes and log out. After disabling two-factor authentication, ensure you save any changes made. Once confirmed, log out of your account for security purposes. By following these steps, you can successfully turn off two-factor authentication on your American Express account. Always remember to keep your account secure with strong passwords and regular monitoring.